Hey guys, today I'm going to play Subway Surfers because the other video of Subway Surfers got like 20 views, and that was like that was like the view goal I wanted, and it was only 2 days ago, which is really impressive. So I'm gonna make this video. It's not gonna be in tips and tricks. It's just gonna be a Subway Surfer gameplay. But if you want me to do another Subway Surfer video, and I've like put like my settings on the Record Me app, like the lag, like I put the FPS to like 50 and so it kind of lags a little bit, but once it's done lagging, the screen looks really clear. I'll make the screen even clearer and try to make it lag less, and I'll make a video that the video I made of tips and tricks, it was like 10 minutes and I only gave one tip. And I'll give 5 tips. If you get this video to 100 views, I'll give 5 good tips that will make you better than me. Probably not better than me at this game, but let's say, for instance, you get 1 million without crashing in Subway Surfers. You could get to 3 million if you get this video to 100 views. So, because you may be thinking, well, why are you crashing so much? No one wants to get better by someone that crashes. Well, I bet you haven't got a 6.6 million score before. So, and my sister didn't just grab my device and then just start playing. This was actually by me. So, yeah. So, get this video to 100 views. This video, specifically this video, not the other videos, specifically this video to 100 views, and I'll make another one. Good quality, good everything. So, yeah. Oh, sorry, I just muted myself. That was an accident. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. So, get this video to 100 views if you want. Sorry, I'm repeating myself. If you want me to make one with good quality and everything. And don't rewatch it 100 times. Actually get it to officially 100 views. Oh, and I actually am going to try my best to post every day. So, because sometimes I post, but I only get sometimes I post and I don't post for months, sometimes up to 4 months. So I feel bad. So and it's perfect. And so I feel bad for that. And we're in the COVID-19 lockdown thing, blah blah blah. So it's my perfect chance to 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 like actually start posting videos and like stuff. So yeah. But or if you get it to 100 views, it could be any view. It could be any game you want to play, basically. Like any game you want me to play. Like any game you want me to play with, like any game you want me to play. Actually, I'll play Subway Surfers if it gets to 100 views. That was glitched because my thing was in the way. You see that thing? The thing I'm pressing right now? That actually, you can move it. So I'm moving it right now. And it kind of got in the way, so it made me so I couldn't move it. I believe... Sorry, my sister, she choked. She choked on something. So, get this video. And I actually believe we can get this video to 100 views. Our channel has actually been growing. We've got 170 on the YouTube Analytics, whatever it's called. I may not be saying it correctly. I don't know what it's called. But on that, the YouTube Analytics thing, we've got 178 views in the past 28 days. And you may be thinking, well, it's going to take 28 views to get 100 views on. Well, not exactly, because we've got 111, and we checked the thing. We've got 112 more views than we get, than average, than our best, our average. So this channel has really been growing. So I think it can get to 100 views. And I promise, if this thing gets to, I'll make it be, the best video I can make, sorry, that was really bad glitch. That was super, super bad glitch. I'll try and make another one. So, I'm gonna check how long I've been recording now. Alright, I'm gonna play for 30 more seconds, and then I'm going to, stop. Okay, let's check now. Okay, bye. Remember, get this video to 100 views if you want me to do another Subway Surfers video. A really good one with tips and tricks.